Dear students, I welcome you all in this course of Income Tax Law and Practice. I am Mohammad Ashraf, Assistant Professor of Commerce. Let me introduce the course to you. The objective of this course is to provide basic knowledge and equip students with application of principles and provisions of Income Tax Act 1961 and the relevant rules. The Income Tax Act 1961 is the charging statute of income tax in India. It provides for levy, administration, collection and recovery of income tax. To acquire knowledge about income tax law, one needs to study first the Income Tax Act 1961 and its amendments till date. The Income Tax Act 1961 contains 298 sections which lays down various provisions regarding calculation of income tax, liability of assessee, powers and duties which are given to different processing authorities. Second, Income Tax Rules 1962 and the amendments till date. Income Tax Rules 1962, which came into existence from 1st April 1962, contains rules framed by Central Board of Direct Taxes to ensure smooth implementation of different income tax provisions as contained in Income Tax Act 1961. This course comprises of 5 units. In Unit 1st, which is Introduction, various basic concepts of Income Tax Act 1961 such as income, agricultural income, person, assessee, assessment year, previous year, gross total income, maximum marginal rate of tax will be covered, along with permanent account number and determination of residential status of individuals and Hindu undivided family. In Unit 2nd, you will learn how to calculate income from salaries. Similarly, in Unit 3rd and 4th, focus will be on computation of income under different heads. That is, in Unit 3rd, income from horse property as well as profit and gains of business or profession will be taken into account. In Unit 4, which is concerned with topics relating to capital gains, income from other sources, aggregation of income, set off and carry forward losses. Lastly, in Unit 5th, which is computation of total income and tax liability, comprises of topics deduction of gross total income, rebates and reliefs, assessment of individuals' preparation of return of income, filing of returns. After going through this course, you will be able to understand the basic concepts in the law of income tax and determine the residential status of different persons. You will be able to identify the 5 heads in which income is categorized and compute income under the heads salaries and income from horse property. You will be able to compute income under the head profits and gains of business or profession, capital gains and income from other sources. You will be able to understand deductions allowed under Income Tax Act and further to compute taxable income and tax liability of individuals and firms. you will be able to develop the ability to file online returns. Thank you.